How's it going, everyone? Brandon here with Ruetsche Builds, and we're back. I don't think I showed you guys. I installed this patio door here about a week or two ago, and now the homeowner wants to remove the carpet, put some vinyl in. We're going to stop it in this room here. I'll show you kind of what we're looking at. We're going to go through this hallway here. We're going to do all new base. We're going to probably do new casing, potentially new doors. We're running it into this bathroom over here as well. New base, potentially door, whatever. Same here in the kitchen. So you guys can see it. This house is a little outdated, so we're trying to bring it back to life. We did try talking him into getting new cabinets, but he's not sure he wants to pull the trigger on that yet. And my thought was, if we're running the vinyl floor, we'll have to butt it up right to those cabinets. And if in the future he wants to do some addition, or not addition, some upgrades and get new cabinets, he'll have to, or we'll have to, probably replace the flooring there. So we'll figure it out. We got to check if the floor is level. We're gonna get the baseboards off today, rip up a little bit of carpet, and I got my dad's buddy Jimmy over here helping me kind of figure out what we're gonna do as far as laying the boards down wise, figure out our spacing and all that. But I'll show you guys the process. I'm all done for the day, and Jimmy left me a little while ago, and I stayed to finish up doing some drywall work. You guys saw we took off the paneling over there, and I figured I'd get some of those nail holes patched. Not all of them, but I figured I'd get a start on there. You guys can see we got pretty far. We did stop going through here. We ran it as far as we could over there, and I figured I will do the rest leading into here. It just requires a little bit of cutting, and with two people we decided to bang out a little more in the kitchen, which I'll show you guys right now. Can see we got up to here, so looks good, looks good. We moved the fridge over there. Disregard that, it's a little dirty, but pulled out the stove, got our boards underneath there looking mint, and yeah, this is how we're looking. One of these days also we are going to be removing the toilet. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. Toilet's gone, and we're going to continue running our boards in there, but we're just waiting on the toilet right now, figuring out what we're going to do there. But I'll most likely be back here tomorrow morning. At some point I have to install a couple TV mounts, finish up another job doing some fencing and whatnot, which I really didn't record anything for that. But yeah, then we got a base, shoe, potentially new doors. We are talking with Nick, the homeowner, and we're trying to convince him to get new doors. He's not sure. He's a little on edge, but like, I think we could do it. So talking to him into that. If we get a couple in there, we already got this one, so we're at a start. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, whenever. Thanks for watching. For the day, you can see here, we got a little bit further in the kitchen. I did have to do a few things. We are gonna have to, the only reason I stopped here is because the dishwasher, the line right in here, where I'm shining the flashlight if it's not overexposed, right in that area there, the shutoff for that is actually seized up. So tomorrow we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to shut off all the main water in the house and take care of that, because then we can get that out of here. A big problem we figured we might have too is that the dishwasher might be too tall with this new flooring. The flooring's 3/8 taller than the original flooring there, but I think we're gonna be able to lower it down. One thing I just did here is took the fine tool and pretty much buzzed off part of this cabinet here, and I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow and sand it down. I'm just tired of hearing that loud thing rolling, so we're gonna have to do something there, stain it up, do whatever, but that has to happen in order for the fridge to go there. No big deal, but yeah, I was doing pretty good laying all that out. We did finish the hallway here. You guys can see, looking good, looking good. We ended up cutting down this part here, so we slipped it underneath there, enough to where it has enough to slide there. And you guys can see on both sides here, The reason we have Jimmy, if you guys probably didn't see Jimmy, but he was the guy helping me. I guess you saw him in the time lapses, but he figured it out. So we are going to be able to run when the time comes for this room. We're going to be able to just start off right here. So for now, we're just going to make some transition strips like here, there. But you can see if he does decide to go in the future and go forward with it, we're going to leave those tongues on there so we can just run right off that, which will be mint. But I'm probably going to do another coat of drywall tonight, then probably ready for sanding and texture, and that could get all painted. Tomorrow I might be coming back here. I'll definitely be coming back, and maybe I will go ahead and get the material for the base, shoe, door jambs. We didn't do anything in the bathroom. Let me shine the light. Nothing in the bathroom yet. We're waiting on the toilet. Once we get the toilet, we'll move forward there. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. You guys can see I'm wearing glasses. You probably never see me wear glasses, but we got the shutoff on. I'm not sure. I didn't record anything, but I told you guys about that yesterday. The old shutoff was seized to the dishwasher here, and the dishwasher was a pain to get out. And we're gonna have to lower down the legs on there just because we're 3/8 higher on the floor and the countertop right there. You know, we're gonna have to make it work. But I'm excited now because things will move a little bit quicker than they've been going this morning. So can get the flooring done in this room and potentially be getting some molding today or whatever we need, casing, base, whatever. We did do another coat of drywall yesterday. That should be all good to go and maybe ready for texture. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're done putting in the floor. I did have a time lapse, or I thought I was recording my time lapse from like this point on, but I really only had it from like this point here. But you can see we're looking good here. I got to do a couple things in order to get this, because we still want to keep our 1/4 inch gap. So we are going to put like some sort of bracket on there similar to this, but we're not going to bring it into or nail it down onto the vinyl because we still want that to float. Same deal here. And the homeowner talked about putting a new door in there. We're gonna get rid of this door here, the storm door, and eventually he's gonna be putting in a new door right there. So I'm not worried about any of this right now because this will change, but for now it's just gonna sit like that. But I'll walk you guys through the whole place once I'm done. Maybe once I clean it up a little bit. We haven't gotten the bathroom yet. Not sure if I'll include that in the video. We'll see. But now it's time to go find some trim, and we'll start doing that. How's it going, everyone? Another day, another dollar. It's actually the end of the day, and since my last video, I got a haircut. I haven't been recording much since I've kind of needed to get this done. So I'm gonna show you guys. Check it out. The lighting here is a little bit dark, but let's see. Maybe I'll grab my flashlight later and record some other stuff without me talking. We need a new dishwasher, so we are going to get a new dishwasher. That'll happen in the near future. So today what I ended up doing was finishing up a little bit of casing, and I built, or not built, I cut out all these thresholds here. So I made those are custom. Didn't buy anything from the store, that's just poplar. But check it out. Also, I just finished up texturing this wall. Just got that finished too. That was the last thing I had to do. Thresholds do have to get painted yet. But I mean, the difference, if you guys saw, I mean, you definitely saw it, the paneling that was on this wall, this is a big step up. Now he is gonna paint, the homeowner is gonna paint it. same color as this, so told them 24 hours, whatever, after that's dry. Maybe we'll second coat it too, depending on how that looks. But I think it looks awesome right now. And then the other day we did put in a new toilet. We finished up wrapping all the base, shoe, casing in here. You know how it is. But that's pretty much a done job right now. So thank you guys for watching the video. I do have to get this all edited and everything. Hopefully I'll get it out soon. But if you guys aren't subscribed yet, definitely recommend subscribing. And I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some more footage so it looks a little bit better than me just walking around. So thank you guys for watching. I'm out.